G'day, my name's Gavin Moncrief. I teach percussion and drum kit at the Bendigo Instrumental Music Program. The schools I teach at are Bendigo Senior Secondary College, Bendigo Southeast College, and Waruna College, Bendigo. Come and see me if you want to learn drums. The drum kit is just one of the instruments we get to play when we study percussion. Another important instrument in the percussion section is the snare drum. One of the most deepest pitched and loudest instruments in the percussion section are the timpani. And last but not least is the xylophone. We get to play melodies and harmonies on this instrument and other mallet instruments in the percussion family. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that you've seen all the percussion instruments, it's just a matter of choosing which one you really want to play next year. I suggest you do yourself a favour, head down to your local school, see your music coordinator, and sign up to learn instrumental music next year.